Hello, I'm going to show you how to get the new iOS 26 on iPhone. So all of the iOS 26 is available for testing starting today through the Apple Developer Program at developer.apple.com, and the public beta will be available through the Apple Beta Software Program next month at beta.apple.com. New software features will be available this fall as free software update for iPhone 11 and later. The Apple Intelligence features detailed require supported devices, which include all iPhone 16 models, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPad mini, and iPad and Mac models with M1 and later that have Apple Intelligence enabled and Siri and device language set to the same supported language: English, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, or Chinese. More languages will be coming by the end of this year. For more information, visit apple.com/apple-intelligence. Features are subject to change. Some features may not be available in all languages or regions, and availability may vary due to local laws and regulations. For more information about availability, visit apple.com.